everyone. Hello. I hope you had a good Mother's Day. On May 16th, 2000, I started my journey with Stampin' Up. And to tell you the truth, I really didn't think it would last very long. I thought it would be for a short time for me to be able to purchase things that I wanted, but it's been 20 years. And because it's been 20 years, I have two big announcements. The first one is this Saturday, my brand new website will launch. And in that website, you will be able to see video tutorials, information about how to make purchases. You can look at my online store and you can make purchases there. You'll be able to RSVP for classes and clubs, and you'll be able to pay for them there at my website. It's going to be an exciting time for both of us, something that's new for me and new for you. So if you'll be patient with me, there's going to be some mistakes and some things that we're going to have to learn together, but we'll work them out, okay? The second big announcement is to thank my customers for supporting me for 20 years. I am giving a 20% off discount this weekend, beginning Saturday, May 16th through Monday, May 18th at midnight. So any orders that you place during that time, you'll go ahead and place your order. However, I will be sending you the 20% back in the form that you prefer. I can send it to you Venmo, PayPal, Cash App, or I can send you a check. I'm sorry that it has to be that way, but the way the process works is I would have to send you the money after you've paid Stampin' Up! Online. Now, if you don't have the ability to go in and place the order, you can always send me the order and I will go ahead and place the order for you. If you will please use the host code, it's going to be listed right here, and you'll be able to see the code. Please use that code when you place your order. Remember, it only starts Saturday, May 16th through Monday, May 18th. And that's 20% off your ordered merchandise, okay? Thank you so much for 20 years of supporting me and blessing me and my family. I really do appreciate you. Have a wonderful day.